Are yams and sweet potatoes the same? I say so, but are they?
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hello, you guys. Happy Thursday. Next Thursday is Thanksgiving, and shocker, I'm hosting. What? Why? Who made that decision? We did. Anyway, so I'm stressed out because I've never hosted a Thanksgiving ever, and like, I'm just stressed about it. So I put together a menu on my computer. So basically, today's video is supposed to be my morning routine, but Meech hasn't been here all week, and I decided like a morning routine without Meech wouldn't be like the real morning routine because like he's a very big part of my morning, you know? So I decided, you know what, today let's just do like a prep with me for Thanksgiving video, because one, I think it will help me be more organized about this whole ordeal if I film it, and two, because that's really just what's happening in my life and I'm very stressed about it and I would like your support. Okay, thank you so much. So we're in my kitchen right now and I have my laptop here and it has my menu. I'm also realizing that I might have gone a little bit too fucking ham with this menu. No pun intended, there's actually no ham on this menu. But I've got like 15 items on a menu for like 8 people. 8 fucking people. That's too much, right? Like, that's just too much. But like, there are things on this menu that I don't want to take off because they all sound so delicious, you know? Because we're gonna have people here basically the whole day, that I need like some appetizers and like some things that come before the actual Thanksgiving dinner, because people are gonna be hungry and then they're gonna be yelling at me like, hurry up, and I don't want that stress. So I just need to have like things out before the real dinner so that people aren't bothering me. You know? So for appetizers, I have stuffed mushrooms, deviled eggs, because deviled eggs are Meech's favorite, and cheesy crab artichoke dip, which is a recipe I've never made before, but sounds delicious and I really want to try it. So I feel like those are like good little like picky foods that will hold people over in the afternoon, like before dinner. That's what we got there. And then the main menu is obviously turkey, mac and cheese, sausage stuffing, and green beans, which my mom is gonna make and bring, which is a really great help because, you know, it's just good help. Mashed potatoes, because duh. Candied yams, because duh. Collard greens. Wait, candied yams and collard greens I've never made before. So, and then a gravy, because duh, you know? So, I feel like there's something missing on there too. What am I missing? Should I do mashed potatoes or should I do like roasted potatoes? And then for dessert, banana pudding, which my mom is gonna make, sweet potato pie, pecan pie, and pumpkin roll. I think I might take pecan pie off of this. Sweet potato pie is really what matters, right? And I've never made pecan pie, and that might be difficult, but my sweet potato pie is bomb, so we gotta do that. And my pumpkin roll is bomb, so we gotta do that. Ugh. Okay, so basically in this video, I'm gonna figure out a whole shopping list for this, and then I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I would lie to you and say I'm gonna vlog in the supermarket, but like, I know myself and I'm not gonna do that, so we'll probably just do a grocery haul. This morning I cleaned the shit out of my kitchen. Like, I like deep cleaned this motherfucker, and it was honestly amazing, and it feels so good to be in here right now. I still have to like sweep and Swiffer the floor, but I just didn't feel like doing that before. I even cleaned like my coffee pots and stuff, which they're pretty dry now, so I can put them away. But that's this video. How are you guys doing? Are you hosting Thanksgiving? Who's doing the cooking? Are you stressed like I am? Like, what's the deal? Because I'm stressed. I've made a turkey once in my life, and it was a little bit undercooked, so I'm stressed about that. I think we're gonna try to make the turkey on the Traeger grill that we have, because like I found a recipe from the grill company that like says you can do that, and it would save so much space in the oven. Like, I could use my oven for all the other things instead of the turkey, which would take up most of the oven, you know, and has to be set to like a set temperature for the whole day. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make a groceries list, and I will come back with it, and then we'll go to the grocery store together. I'm also starving. I'm so hungry because there's like literally no food in this house. Like, we've run out of food, so I really have to go to the grocery store for not only Thanksgiving, but like for real life. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. It's just gonna be kind of like follow me around vlog. It's already 3:30, so it's gonna get dark very soon, which makes me super sad. But yeah, I also have to get stuff for like, because Meech's mom, his brother, they're gonna be staying with us. My parents are gonna be staying with us. So like I need like new towels, I need new sheets for the guest rooms, I need like to clean the bathroom and stuff. Like I mean, obviously we have like a full week ahead, so I don't have to do all of that today, but it would be nice to get some of it done, you know? I also like, I don't even think I have enough like plates, and like I need like a platter to put the turkey on, and like I don't have stuff like that. I don't really like host very often. Like I have stuff to eat off of, but not stuff to like serve. Like I don't have like serveware stuff or like serving spoons or anything. So I have to like figure that out. And I'm definitely not gonna get like fancy stuff. Definitely gonna get like the Thanksgiving themed paper plates for sure. But yeah, that's today's video. I know you guys like it when I vlog randomly, so this is that for you. Love you the most. I'm gonna go make this list and then we will get to it. Okay guys, that took entirely too long. It literally took me an hour and a half to make the shopping list, and now I'm like scared to go to the store alone. But here it is. Here is the shopping list. So we've got, luckily I like categorized it. So I categorize it for vegetables, then dairy, which Thanksgiving is always a lot of freaking dairy. And then, hey, where's the rest of it? Oh, there we go. And then pantry, so down here is like, you know, the pasta we need, baking powder, all that. And the only thing I don't have on this list is, the only things I don't have on this list are like the trays, the utensils, all that kind of stuff. I think I'm like just gonna do the food today because it's a lot and I'm stressed about it. So I think I'm just gonna like tackle this. I will see how I feel when I'm done at the grocery store, but I feel like I'm just gonna come home with all of this stuff. And then that's gonna be it for today because I'm freaking stressed. I also feel like this is gonna be like the biggest freaking, this is gonna be the biggest grocery bill I've ever had. Not to mention, this is all just the Thanksgiving stuff. I still need to get stuff like for us to live for the next week. So yeah, we might just be doing sandwiches for the next week, quite frankly, because I'm stressed about cooking all this stuff. So we're gonna head to the grocery store and then see what happens. I also have to like pick out my little bangs here because they're finally dry. Ooh, they're kind of frizzy. Whatever, they'll do. They'll do. But I'm scared. We're just gonna call this the cabinet video because the whole video y'all are sitting in the cabinet. But I went to the grocery store and had a lot of stuff, but it actually came out to under, like it was only $170 something. And that's like everything I need except for collard greens and smoked turkey wings for the entire Thanksgiving dinner. I did realize though when I was there that I was like, damn, I should get some sodas or something, but did I? No. I will go back and get that when I go and get like the trays, the serving stuff, like the last minute kind of things. I will get that. But I'm gonna show you what I got. You ready? Okay, some of this is like not Thanksgiving stuff, but most of it is. So I went to ShopRite. This is weird, but the first thing in here is MSG, which is not very healthy, but I watched all of Bon Appetit's Making the Perfect Thanksgiving Special, and Molly and Carla said adding MSG to your gravy is gonna make it taste good. So I got MSG because my girls told me to, you know? Then ShopRite had these boxes, like 5-pound boxes of sweet potatoes for, ew, that one has holes all in it. I wanna die. That makes me literally wanna gag. Oh my God. The trypophobia is hitting. Whew. Sweet potatoes for sweet potato pie and for candied yams. Are yams and sweet potatoes the same? I say so, but are they? I don't know. I'm gonna pretend they are. And then we've got Tostitos lime and Tostitos scoops. The scoops are for the dip that I'm making, the crab artichoke dip. And then they were like 2 for $5, so I just got the hint of lime because we like these, so it's like good to have in the house. Then in here we have bread. This is just for the house for sandwiches. We've got marshmallows for the candied yams, and we've got 2 packs of King's Hawaiian sweet rolls. These are gonna be our bread for Thanksgiving dinner, and also just for life because these are fucking delicious. But I was gonna actually make like homemade rolls. Then I was like, actually, you're doing the most and you're gonna be stressed out if you like add anything on to your list of things. So I nixed that idea. I also nixed the pecan pie idea. Well, because I don't want to make more than 2 pies. I'm gonna make 2 sweet potato pies, a pumpkin roll, and I'm gonna call it a day. So then I actually got my turkey for free. because I spent $400 in the past month at ShopRite. So I got a free turkey. This one is 14.24 pounds, and it was originally 21.22, but I got it for free. So I'm actually gonna keep this in the fridge to defrost, and then in a few days I will brine it. But we're only having like 7 to 8 people, so I thought a 14-pound turkey was good, I think. I don't know. To be honest, I really don't. Is that good? I don't know. I heard like 2 pounds per person, but I don't fucking know. 3 dozen eggs. These are cage-free Eggland's Best large eggs. I got 2 of the 18 count, so 3 dozen eggs, because we're gonna go through all of those in a matter of a week. The big guns are coming out. Okay, in here we have Parmesan cheese for stuffed mushrooms and some other things, something else. I think the dip also. Italian breadcrumbs also for the stuffed mushrooms. A 2-pack of ranch just for us because Meech, last time we went to the grocery store, last time we bought ranch at the grocery store, he bought like the tiniest bottle of Wishbone ranch. I was like, sir, first of all, we're a Hidden Valley family, and second of all, we go through ranch like it's water, so why would you buy them anyway? He was even like, I don't know why I did that. That was stupid of me. I got a big old bag of peeled garlic because it's more expensive, but it's worth it. I fucking hate peeling garlic, so it's worth it to me. I use a lot of garlic, and peeling it is the worst thing ever, so I got it peeled. Then we have lump crab meat. This is for the dip, obviously. This was actually not that much money. It's a half a pound, and it was like $9, which isn't bad. They had chicken stock, Swanson chicken stock on sale for 2 for $3 or something like that. I needed 2, so that was perfect. These were on sale. Ready whipped cream was on sale too, 2 for $5, but I really only needed 1, so I just got 1. Baking powder because we ran out. I need that for the pies, or actually for the pumpkin roll. A bag of sugar because we're not low on sugar, but we'll run through all of what we have, so I needed to get another one. This is a brine bag because I don't have a pot big enough to brine the turkey in. So basically you put the brine and the turkey in the bag, and then you put it in the roasting dish, and it makes it easier instead of me having to buy a big old pot. Alpo macaroni for the macaroni and cheese, duh. 2 cans of evaporated milk for the mac and cheese. Artichoke hearts for that dip, and then this is Sir Kensington's Dijon mustard for sandwiches. I just another bag down. Some really green bananas, but they will ripen, so I'm gonna put them on my little fruit bowl hook over here. Captain Crunch for cereal, like for breakfast and stuff. I have 4 bags shredded cheese. These are all for the mac and cheese or something. But yeah, so I have 3 of the Mexican blend, and then 1 of sharp cheddar. This is to top the like to go on top of the mac and cheese, but the rest goes like in the sauce. And then we have heavy cream. I was meant to get heavy cream and sour cream and half and half, but I ended up just getting heavy cream because I don't remember why, to be honest. Oh, because they didn't have a little one, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna replace all of the things in all of the recipes that call for half and half. I'm just gonna use heavy cream, and we'll just see what happens, you know. Then I got a bag of brown sugar, a big old bag of frozen fruit for smoothies. That's not for Thanksgiving, that's just for life. Whole milk for the mac and cheese, and also for, I don't know, cereal. I don't know, we don't really drink whole milk, but we need it for the mac and cheese. I got 12 sticks of butter, 8 salted, 4 unsalted. Then sour cream for the mac and cheese, 3 bars of cream cheese for pumpkin roll, artichoke crab dip, and stuffed mushrooms. And then a block of Velveeta for the mac and cheese. The mac and cheese calls for so many ingredients, like it's crazy. And then our last bag, in here we have mostly like all the veggies. And then I bought I was gonna make chicken wings tonight for dinner, but Meech gets back so late that I'm gonna save this to make tomorrow for dinner. And then tonight I'll just make him a sandwich because I already ate. Then we have 2 pie crusts for sweet potato pie. We have our mushrooms for our stuffed mushrooms. I'm praying these don't go bad in a week. I don't know. Mushrooms can hold for a week, right? I didn't think this through. And then we have Yukon Gold potatoes for mashed potatoes. We have carrots and celery for like the turkey. Not stuffing, but like when you roast the turkey, you put them in the bottom for like, you know, the juices to season it and stuff, and then a bag of onions because I need onions for a lot of things that I'm making. And then last but not least in here we have turkey and cheese for sandwiches. And then my receipts, and that's it. So all of that came to, hold on, all of that came out to $176, which is pretty good. Like, we got a lot of stuff. I feel like that's not bad. I spend that like on a regular shopping trip for us at the grocery store. So the fact that I bought like a whole Thanksgiving dinner is kind of good, I think. Especially all these dairy products, like that stuff adds up. But yeah, I'm gonna go put all of this stuff away. And then I don't really know what else is gonna be part of this video. This was kind of just like a Thanksgiving grocery haul. Basically it. Also, like, I had like powdered sugar. I had, oh my God, I have so much flour. I had like all that other stuff. This might have been a super boring video, or if you're into this kind of thing, a super interesting video. You let me know. I'm gonna put all of this stuff away. I have to organize my fridge OD. And then I'm going to edit this and upload it. I'm sorry if this is like a cop-out video, but there's a lot going on in my life right now. Not really like anything super stressful, but like this Thanksgiving is really stressing me out. That's like the only stressful thing, but we'll figure it out. It's gonna be worth it in the end. I'm excited to like have it at our house, you know? But yeah, and Meech comes home tonight and he hasn't been home all week and I miss him so much. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I mean, I don't really know what it is. It's you just in my cabinet while I do kitchen things and talk to you. But let me know if you liked it. Comment down below what your Thanksgiving plans are. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. I promise my other videos are more interesting. I love you so, so much. I will see you in my next video.